Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Yusef Scott, and I'm coming to you again with a great opportunity for you to make some money in the market. All right. Now, I'm not telling you. This is not me telling you what to do with your money. You trade at your own risk. Understand that forex is very risky. You don't want to trade too heavy because you can lose your money just as much you can make. You can lose. So trade with caution and understand that there is a huge risk. All right. So that being said, we're looking at the GBPNZD daily chart. Now, for those of you who have been following me, you know that I trade that pair very heavily. If you go back to my Instagram page, you look at my Facebook posts, I trade that pair and I know it like the back of my hand. So let's take a look at this. Let's dissect this pair real quick. All right. So looking at this right here, I want you to fix your eyes on this area. Do you see anything that stands out? All right. Okay. Let me just show you. If you notice, the market came all the way up to here. Now this was September 2015. All right. The market went from April 2015 all the way up to September 2015. Major move up. I capitalized on it. All right. So this area was an area of resistance. Okay. It didn't go past this area. It broke through. This was the result of Greece. For those of you that were trading back then, if you remember August 24th, I believe, August 24th, right, August 24th was when Greece had a situation and a lot of people lost money. If you were on the right side of the market, you won a lot of money. All right, you actually you were very happy at the end of the day if you caught it while it was going on. So if you notice, I put my resistance line here. Now let's look left and let's see how well respected this resistance area is. Let's look left real quick. Let's see. All right, going back, we're now at 2009. You notice that the market had used it as support, used it as resistance, used it as support. It got trapped up in this area back in 2008. 2005. So you basically catch what I'm saying. It's a very strong area. So I knew that the market would, for one, it would. I saw that it was going sideways. It was basically consolidated at this area instead of making higher highs and all that stuff. It was consolidated, and so I knew that eventually it would drop. It wasn't going to cross this area. So I saw it dropping. So it dropped down and it came to this level here. All right, and when it came to that level, it used this area as support, then again as support again. But when it bounced up, it hit the aqua, bounced off the aqua back down to previous support, and then it dropped below. It got hung up at the support level as well as the moving average, dropped below, and it used it again as now resistance. Previous support turns to resistance. And then it dropped down, used the moving average again as support, dropped below, use it as resistance. And now that brings us to where we are now. And if you notice, let me zoom in. If you notice that at present, yesterday's close here, it dropped, it went all the way up to pretty much the blue, and it dropped all the way down below the aqua. And then when the market opened up today on the 11th of May, it went up above just a little bit, then it quickly went back down, and now it's selling. Now this is the move. All right, now I am expecting for the market to go down. If this market closes, if it closes, it's going to be a bullish, a bearish engulfing candle at a major resistance line. It's using the aqua as resistance. And you can expect for the market to continue to sell south. All right. So just want to point this out to you guys. One might ask, where do you think the market is going to go? Well, I would say to previous support. It will be there. All right. So let's see the type of, I believe it's like 800 pips when I did the math. probably like 800 pips, just about 800 pips. The market is going to drop down to. So, and then if you look at this area, the area where I'm expecting to go down to, which is previous support, look how it got trapped along in this area, and then tapped in this area 2 years ago. Look how it's tapping in this area 6 years ago, 5 years ago. This area 5 years ago, 6 years ago actually. So we know that it's also a major area of support, possible resistance, major area. So I just wanted to point this out to you guys so that you guys can see exactly what I see. For those of you who are subscribed to my channel, definitely appreciate it. I couldn't have grown this strong without you. Definitely appreciate it. So I give out these information, this power information. I like to impart it on my students and to you all. Definitely appreciate it. So I like to give back because I really appreciate everything. But without going too long in this video, I want to keep it very short. If you have the means of trading this, I would say trade it with caution. It's very fast. On top of that, make sure you're looking at the type of money you already have in your account. You don't want to over leverage your account. So trade this with caution, and definitely appreciate you guys tuning in. Until next time, peace. Thank you.